Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Use 2-3 pounds of bones, including wings and carcass. Start by trimming excess skin, but leave some cartilage and marrow for richness. Add 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 tablespoon salt, and 10 peppercorns to build balanced aromatics. Include a bay leaf and 3 sprigs of thyme if available. Rinse bones and roast at 425 degrees F for 25 minutes for deeper flavor. Roasting concentrates taste and gives a golden color. Cool bones slightly before. Cover bones with 4-6 quarts cold water and bring to a gentle simmer. Do not boil rapidly because agitation clouds the stock. Start it cold so proteins release slowly, then raise heat until tiny bubbles form. Skim foam for the first 20 minutes to keep stock clear, using a ladle to remove coagulated bits. Adjust heat so the liquid barely moves and simmer low for 4 to 6 hours, uncovered or partially covered, which extracts gelatin and yields body while concentrating flavor. Strain stock through a fine mesh and cool quickly in an ice bath to stop cooking and preserve clarity. Discard solids or reserve shredded meat. Taste and season lightly, remembering concentrated stock can be reduced. Adjust with up to 1 teaspoon more salt if needed. Refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze up to 6 months in 2-cup portions for easy use. Skim fat after chilling or save it for roasting at 1/4 cup per use. Label and date containers before freezing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.